Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact compressor model and recommended oil so you don't introduce incompatibility. Once confirmed, isolate electrical power and lock out the disconnect. Safety first. Next, recover refrigerant using the recovery machine and bring system pressure to 0, then vent carefully if required by procedure. While the system is dormant, position your tools, manifold gauges, vacuum pump, torque wrench, and lay out new gaskets and fittings so you can move efficiently into removal. With utilities isolated, continue by fully recovering residual refrigerant and closing service valves. Label each line so reassembly is error-free. Then unbolt the compressor, supporting its weight, drain and weigh the oil for diagnosis, and inspect the mounting plate and pipe ends for scoring or debris. Once clear, mount the new compressor, align it precisely, exchange suction and discharge gaskets, replace related filters or dryers, and torque all fasteners to manufacturer specs. This prevents leaks and ensures proper mechanical alignment. After mechanical work, vacuum the system to the manufacturer recommended level, often around 500 microns, and hold to confirm no loss, which indicates leaks. Once stable, charge the system by weight to the exact refrigerant mass specified, then add compressor oil to the required level. Accuracy matters for longevity. Start the unit and observe pressures, temperatures, and current draw. If you see high suction superheat with low flow, stop and inspect for restriction or incorrect metering. That single check solves many.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.